kids? So now here one more, find the odd one out. Okay. So what it is? Here you have, I have shared a picture on the screen. So you are watching it. So what you have to do here? You are going to find the odd one out. So what you have to do? You have to observe the picture carefully. Okay? Observe the image properly, kids. Only a small mistake, that's it. Only a small thing. What you have to do? You need to observe. Come on, observe it. Come on, kids, come on. A small mistake, that's it. In that you can find out. Come on, hurry up. You're finding, right? But I found. Yes, I found it. If I tell you, you'll think, only this one. You'll tell like that only. It is like that, kids. Shall I tell you? See here. See the tongue. Can you see those lines on the tongue? But here it is not there. Correct, no? I told you, no, it is a small mistake. Shall we move on to the next one? Come on. See here, tomatoes. What is this? What's this? Tomatoes, red tomatoes. It's very cute, no? So now what you're going to do in this? You're going to find odd one out. Correct. So now see to the picture. Carefully observe it carefully. Come on, kids. Come on, observe. Done? Observe carefully. And what you're going to do? You're going to find odd one out. See here. In this row. So any differences? All are same. Okay, now see here. Any differences, kids? It's cute, right? Any differences here? See here it is. Correct. See all the how all tomatoes are and how here it is. So this is odd one out. Correct. So the next one. Yes, this is interesting, kids. See here. So I'll keep this down. See here you can see all it is V. V or W it is. Kids, this is V or W. Yes, it is V but not W. It is not a W, it is V. So now what you are going to do? In this V, you are going to find where is W. You will get bit confused. But what you have to do? You have to observe. Okay? Observe to the picture carefully. Come on. Come on, kids. Start observing. So you're going to find W in this picture. Okay, in this image you're going to find W. So now here in this it is all V. See here. Correct, no? V. See here. Here you can see a gap. So this is V here. So I'll keep this image here. Okay. Now you search, kids. Search W in this image. Come on. W. Where it is? You found? You found, kids? See, I'll tell you where it is. See here. So now here we'll see from first. See here. No, in this image it is not there. Here, it is not there. Here also it is not there. See here. Correct. See the differences? Here W it is there, but here it is not there. When by looking at this picture, you will get to know that this is a W, but actually this is V. It is not W. Correct. Shall we move on to the next one? Come on. See here. Only genius can find the y. In this x, you are going to find where is y. Okay. See where is y in this page. Come on. Find where is y. You can only find only one y. That's it. Come on kids. Search. Come on. Come on. Can you find y in this? Can you find y? Come on, take your time, but you need to observe the pitch carefully. Okay? The one main thing is observe. You have to observe and concentrate. Where it is not here. Come on kids, search where it is. Come on. This is the x. It is x, okay, not y. Come on. See here it is. The y is here. The last. Okay. In this picture they have given 8 series number are here. 8. But in this 8, you go in between B is there. Alphabet B is there. So you have to find how many alphabets B is there here. Okay. So you're going to find how much B. How many numbers B are there. So you have to count it. 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. You have to count it. So now your time starts now. Start observing the picture. Come on, observe the picture. Done. Started. Observe kids. So here one B is there. So look into the image properly. Okay. Shall I count with you? See here. Here it is not there. 1. We found 1. Okay. Here it is not there. Here 2. Now it is 2. Here 3. Correct. But in this image, in this line, it is not there. Here 4. Next 5. Next 6. 7. 8. Totally we have 8B. Correct. So we have 8B. So that is not a problem. You look into the image properly. You again count it and then let me know. How many B are there in this image? In this 8 number series, how many B are there in this? And then you can let me know. Okay. Shall we move on to the next one? See, it is home fun. What is this? What is this? Home fun. So kids, here I will show you your home fun. Observe it. See here. So this page you are going to do. Okay. Kids, can you see all this? This page you are going to do. Okay. This and this both. Okay kids. So this one also you are going to do and this one also you are going to do. Okay. It is assignment 18 and assignment 19. Page number 22 and page number 23. Can you see here? See kids? This one. Okay. So this one you are going to do. Here you are going to find odd one out. See which is the odd one out. Here you are going to find the odd one out. See odd one. Okay. In this you are going to make pairs in this image. So this thing you are going to find odd one out and here. Here, make pairs. Here you are going to make pair. For example, now I will tell you here. Butterfly, TV, table and what is this? Shirt. So, TV and table. This both we can make pair. Correct kids? Is it correct? No, you are not going to make here. See here, they have given option A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. For this butterfly, what you will do? See, it is here, flower. So, 1 is E. So, like that, 1 is E. So, like this, you are going to do. The last assignment, assignment 16. In that you are going to do odd one out. By looking at the picture itself, you will get to know odd one out. Like today also I gave in the image I gave you 3, like cat I gave you. So in that 3 cats were there. I told you to find the odd one out, like that. The same thing you are going to do in assignment 16 also. Okay kids? Okay kids. Thank you so much. See you in the next class. Take care kids. Bye bye.